Yes, what we have found is that the same bacteria that is in our mouths can also be through the body. So they've looked at bacterial plaque, and they found that the bacteria that can be in the mouth or underneath the gums can also be in the plaque that's around the heart. So it's very important to have good oral hygiene habits and routine brushing and flossing to reduce this bacteria. Because, as we found, it can affect the body. If someone is diabetic, they have a decreased healing response, and so it's very important for them to practice good oral hygiene routines to minimize that bacteria. They've also found in pregnant women, if they have periodontal concerns, that disruptive bacteria can affect the baby, and in turn, sometimes that baby can be born prematurely and have a low birth weight. So it is a concern. There is a link.